Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to a fascinating expedition into the frontier of artificial intelligence, generative AI. In an era where technology evolves at an unprecedented pace, we find ourselves on the threshold of a realm where innovation merges seamlessly with creativity to birth a revolutionary concept, generative artificial intelligence. This is not just any AI, it's a new kind that diverges from the norm. It's a realm where the power of neural networks and machine learning converge to create something extraordinary. In a departure from conventional AI, which operates within predefined constraints, generative AI empowers us to venture beyond the horizon of the known, enabling us to forge entirely novel domains of content. Today, we embark on an accelerating expedition into the universe of generative AI. This isn't a mere presentation, it's your compass guiding you through the intricate landscape of this groundbreaking technology. We will uncover the foundational principles that underlie this innovation, traverse the diverse strategies that bring it to life, unravel the manifold advantages it bestows upon industries, confront the intriguing challenges it encounters, and peer into the tantalizing vistas that beckon us forward. Where imagination meets ingenuity, at its core, generative AI represents the convergence of imaginative thinking and replicative prowess. Rather than being confined to rehashing known patterns, generative AI introduces a paradigm shift. It endows us with the remarkable capability to craft entirely fresh data that seamlessly interweaves with the intricate patterns latent within our training data. This process involves the deciphering of intricate relationships inherent in the data, allowing generative AI models to create instances that mirror the underlying structures. The result is a captivating symphony that manifests across diverse mediums spanning text, images, music, speech, and beyond. Let's delve into the heart of generative AI's operation. It's a symphony orchestrated by various techniques: variational, autoencoders, generative, adversarial networks, recurrent neural networks, and transformers. Imagine VAEs as virtuoso architects. They possess the unique ability to take raw data and transform it into intricate designs. This is achieved through an innovative process of compression and expansion, akin to compressing air to store energy. VAs not only excel in creating images but also in the art of data compression, thus opening new frontiers of exploration. GANs introduce a new dimension of AI dynamics. They set the storage stage for a duel between two protagonists, the generator and the discriminator. The generator is the creative genius crafting artifacts that strive to emulate reality, while the discriminator acts as the discerning critic, distinguishing between the authentic and the generated. This captivating interplay generates a realism that is unparalleled, propelling GNs to the forefront of image and video generation. As we journey further, we encounter the pivotal role of RNNs and Transformers in the realm of sequential content generation. RNNs, resembling storytellers, weave narratives by retaining past experiences. Transformers, equipped with a self-attention mechanisms, unravel the intricate nuances of language, becoming indispensable tools in unraveling the mysteries of textual communication. The transformative impact of generative AI is far reaching. It nurtures creativity, revolutionizes drug discovery, enhances learning in knowledge sparse fields, elevates simulation realism, personalized experiences, and uncovers hidden anomalies. Imagine an artist who keeps creating the same type of artwork repeatedly. Similarly, generative AI can sometimes produce an output that appears overly similar. This phenomenon, known as mode collapse, can limit the diversity of the results it generates. To ensure a broader range of outputs, we need to overcome this challenge by diversifying the artist portfolio to showcase a variety of creative pieces. Now, as we continue our exploration, we encounter a moral crossroads. When we use generative AI to craft content, ethical considerations come into play. This becomes especially pronounced when we think about utilizing the content AI generates. You may have heard of deepfake videos which convincingly manipulate visuals and audio. This brings forth important ethical questions about the responsible use of AI generated content. Moving forward, we must treat cautiously to protect the sanctity of the data involved. Think of a puzzle containing hidden information. Similarly, there's a risk that generative AI models might unintentionally reveal sensitive information embedded within the data they were trained on. This highlights the critical need for robust data privacy measures, just as we safeguard important secrets. We need to ensure that private information remains confidential and secure throughout the AI training process. Generative AI isn't just a concept, it's a transformative force. Through the convergence of VAEs, GANs, and transformers, we unlock doors to uncharted territories, reshaping industries and propelling society into a future where innovation knows no bounds. In closing, the world of generative AI offers a tapestry of innovation that holds the potential to revolutionize industries. As we navigate its complexities, let us do so responsibly, driven by the ethical exploration of its vast potential. I extend my heartfelt gratitude for joining me on this enthralling odyssey into the realm of generative artificial intelligence.